Hello everyone, we will see today's LeetCode problem, which is an easy problem. So this is a reverse linked list. So in this problem, given the head of single linked list, and we reverse the list and return the reverse list. So here 1 2 3 4 5 is given. So we just need to reverse it, 5 4 3 2 1, right? So this is a very common linked list problem, and it is asked in many companies. So for this, what we can do is we will take a 3-pointer, this previous one, the current one, and this next one. So what will this 3 pointers do? That this is previous, and now this current is the current will point to this first index, this current index, and this next will point to its current next node, right? So what will we do? That we will iterate in whole linked list, and we will simply point out it to its previous node at its current. Suppose this is 1 2 given, this is 1 2 3 4 and then 5, right? So what will we do? We will point this one, we will store this 2 in next, our next, and this we will point this one to its previous value, which is null for now, right? So we will point this to its previous value, and we will simply shift this previous current and next to the next iteration. Now this previous current and next, previous will point to this 1, the current will point to this 2, and next will point to 3. Now what we will do, that we will point this current to the previous pointer, which will be now, then will this 2 will point to its 1. Again we will shift all 3. Now this previous becomes 2, current pointing is 3, and next is pointing is 4. Now we will point again the same approach, current will point to its previous, so this 3 will point to its 2, and again the same with 4, and again the same with 5. So this is how we will reverse this whole linked list, right? So its time complexity will be O of n, because we need to iterate in whole linked list, length of the linked list. So and the space complexity will be O of n only. So let's do it, right? This node, this previous should be pointing to null, this current will point to head, right? So we will iterate this current. When the current will be equals to null, we will stop iteration, right? Let's make this next pointer, which will store the its current next element, because we need to also shift, it will help us to shift. So we will point current next to its previous one, right? This current will be points to its previous one, and now we will shift the whole previous current next to the next, so that we will do the same thing again. So what will we do? That we will equalize this previous to current and this current to next value, right? Now the both previous current and next, all 3 pointers get shifted, and now we will simply return its previous value by y, because this previous will now, after this loop will over, this previous will becomes current, which is equals to this head value, because now current will be equals to null at the last, because the next will be contain null after at last this 5 position. So we will return this previous, right? So let's run this. Write to sample discuss class. Yeah, we have successfully done this question. Hope you will okay. Yeah, they see. We can do iteratively or recursively both. So we have done iteratively. You can also use recursive approach, right? So I think the iterative way is more suitable. So thank you.